Good afternoon, students. Now I am going to explain the topic of 10th class, and topic is nutrition in organism. That means plant and animals, how they are taking nutrition. So firstly you have to know some biological terms which are related to the nutrition. So first is life process. You know that the process like nutrition, respiration, growth, excretion, which are compulsory for all activities of the organism. These are called the life process. And second term is the nutrition. You know, the process of intake of nutrients by the organism, that is called nutrition. And it is the two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic means those organisms which can make their own food in the presence of sunlight, they are called autotrophic. Just like the examples are the green plants. And second is the heterotrophic nutrition, those organisms which cannot make their food because they have not chlorophyll. So these are called heterotrophs, and examples are all animals. And next term is the holozoic nutrition. Holozoic means when the any organism take the food in the form of solid form, then this is called holozoic nutrition. Just like example is the amoeba. And next term is the photosynthesis. You know, the process by which the plants are making food are called photosynthesis. And in this, chlorophyll, sunlight, CO2 and chloroplasts are involved. And chlorophyll, what is the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a kind of pigment which is the part of chloroplast, and it is compulsory for the preparation of food in plants. And next is the light reaction and dark reaction. So light reaction, those reactions which are take place in the presence of sunlight, and these are take place in the grana of chloroplast. And dark reaction are those reactions which are takes place in the stroma of chloroplast, and these both are compulsory for the preparation of food in plants. And now photolysis means the reaction in which the water splits and to produce hydrogen, protons and electrons, that is called photolysis. And this also happens in the process of photosynthesis. Now you can see the life process in the form of flow chart. So it have the many important physiological activities, just like nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion. So now I am going to explain about the nutrition in plants. So what is the nutrition? You know already that the process of taking of food in the many ways by the plants, that is called nutrition. And plants are autotrophic in nature because they can prepare their own food. And examples are all green plants. And the reaction you can see here, it is a 6CO2, 6H2O and presence of light and chlorophyll. It is form the C6H12O6. It is the glucose form in which the food is prepared by the plants. And next, after this photosynthesis reaction, many raw materials are formed, that are CO2, water, chlorophyll and light. And you can see these pictures that you know about the leaf structure. Leaf have the one important tissue, that is called chlorophyll, and chloroplast have the chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is a kind of pigment and chloroplast is a kind of tissue. So these leaf, when the sunlight falls on the leaf surface, then they are trapping the solar energy, and this solar energy changes into chemical energy, and this chemical energy is stored in the leaf in the form of glucose or food, and this glucose also change into the starch form. And plants also taking the water and minerals from the roots and sunlight from sun, and in this way they are preparing the food. And you know already I have discussed about the grana and stroma of the chloroplast, because the grana is the part of the chloroplast and stroma are also part of the chloroplast. But in grana light reaction takes place, and in stroma dark reaction takes place. So in this way leaves are preparing food in the form of glucose or starch, and in this way they are preparing food, and that will given to all organisms. So this is complete about the process of autotrophic nutrition and different terms which are related to the nutrition in organism. So if you have any confusion, then you can ask your doubts. Now thanks.